Get ready for your next adventure with the ultimate list of camping gear and gadgets for 2024. From cutting-edge tools to essential equipment, these picks will elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. 12. Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. The Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is an innovative camping gear that combines two essential functions: lighting and cooling. This lantern features 18 bright LED bulbs that provide ample illumination, while the built-in fan offers a refreshing breeze, making it perfect for warm nights outdoors. It's designed for versatility with a hanging hook for tent mounting and a stand for desktop use. The fan has 2-speed settings, and the light can be adjusted to conserve battery life, which is particularly useful during extended power outages or camping trips. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, making it a reliable addition to any camper's toolkit. 11. Etekcity Lantern. The Etekcity Lantern is a portable battery-powered light source that is essential for camping, emergencies, and power outages. It features 30 LED bulbs that emit 140 lumens of light, ensuring your campsite is well lit with a 360 degrees lighting range. The lantern is praised for its long-lasting performance, providing up to 50 hours of stable and bright lighting with just 3 AA batteries. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, while the durable and waterproof construction makes it suitable for all weather conditions. Additionally, it offers a convenient storage compartment for small items like keys or spare batteries. 10. Oxx Coffee Box. The Oxx Coffee Box is a rugged, portable coffee maker designed for the toughest work environments. Built to withstand heavy-duty use, it's crush-proof up to 2,000 pounds and features weather-resistant construction. It works with standard K-Cup coffee pods, making it convenient for various settings, from construction sites to camping trips. The coffee box boasts an 85 ounces, removable water tank, multiple cup size options, and a separate hot water dispenser. Its sturdy carrying handle and retractable cord make it easy to transport, ensuring you can enjoy a hot cup of coffee wherever you are. 9. Kirked Bugsy. The Kirked Bugsy is a premium fixed-blade knife designed by survivalist Kayla Cummings. It's available in 2 versions: a stonewash plain-edge blade with a micarta handle, and a black Cerakote-coated blade with Vssl serrations. Made in the USA, the Bugsy features 1095 carbon steel for durability and edge retention. Its micarta handle provides strength and visual appeal, while the leather sheath offers protection and portability. This knife is a testament to American craftsmanship and Cummings' expertise in creating tools for the outdoors. 8. Dometic Cfx3. The Dometic Cfx3 is a high-performance portable refrigerator freezer designed for outdoor adventures. It offers advanced compressor technology and high-performance insulation to maintain consistent temperatures. The Cfx3 can be powered by AC, DC, or solar, making it versatile for various settings. It's equipped with a rugged construction, capable of handling inclines up to 30 degrees, ideal for off-road enthusiasts. With the Dometic app, you can control and monitor the cooler settings remotely, ensuring your food and beverages stay fresh and chilled throughout your journey. 7. Anymoka Hammock Stand. The Anymoka Hammock Stand is a portable, versatile solution for hammock enthusiasts. With a revolutionary snap-fold design, it sets up in just 3 seconds, offering unprecedented convenience. It's compatible with hammocks up to 12 feet long and supports up to 550 pounds without wobbling. The stand's aircraft-grade aluminum frame and rust-proof finish ensure durability and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. Its anti-slip feet provide stability on any terrain, ensuring a comfortable and secure lounging experience. The Anymoka hammock stand is an ideal companion for outdoor activities, providing a hassle-free way to relax and enjoy nature. 6. Tentsile Stingray. The Tentsile Stingray is a unique 3-person tree tent that elevates camping experiences. It combines the comfort of a hammock with the protection of a waterproof tent. The Stingray features 3 doors, a rainfly, storage nets, and a patented anti-roll system, ensuring a stable and comfortable sleep 4. It's made from durable materials like ripstop Dacron and grade 4 safari insect mesh, designed to withstand various weather conditions 5. The Stingray offers a panoramic view without the rainfly and is praised for its easy setup and high-quality construction 5. It's perfect for adventurous campers seeking a novel and immersive outdoor lodging experience. 5. Pyro Fire Pit. The Pyro Fire Pit is a multifunctional outdoor centerpiece that combines the features of a fire pit, charcoal grill, and wood smoker 6. Made from heavy-duty American steel, it's designed to last a lifetime, providing a safe and enclosed space for burning wood or charcoal. The Pyro Fire Pit's chimney effect draws smoke away from guests, enhancing the outdoor experience 6. It's equipped with a variety of cooking accessories, allowing for a range of culinary adventures from grilling to wood-fired pizza baking. The Pyro Fire Pit is an excellent choice for those who value both aesthetics and functionality in their outdoor living spaces. 4. Messermeister Adventure Set. The Messermeister Adventure Set is the ultimate travel companion for any cooking enthusiast. Inspired by Chef Adam Glick's outdoor adventures, this collection is designed for versatility and compatibility. The 6-piece Summit set includes a folding chef's knife, fillet knife, utensils, peeler, cutting board, and case, all made with 1.411 German steel known for its toughness and edge retention. It's perfect for campsite cooking, deep sea fishing, glamping, backyard BBQs, and tailgating, providing full-size kitchen knives that are safely compact and portable. This set embodies the spirit of adventure and the reliability of Messermeister's chef-grade quality. 3. Princeton Tec Helix. The Princeton Tec Helix is a compact and lightweight lantern, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable lighting. It features a swipe control surface for easy access to dimmable white and red modes. The collapsible globe and folding legs make it highly portable, while the removable globe allows for a focused spot beam when needed. With a burn time of up to 100 hours and water-resistant IPX6 rating, the Helix Backcountry Lantern is a versatile tool for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. 2. Vssl Flask plus Speaker. The Vssl Flask plus Speaker is a unique combination of an insulated flask and a weatherproof true wireless speaker. The double-walled, vacuum-sealed flask keeps beverages at the perfect temperature, while the Speak with Speaker delivers up to 5 hours of playtime. It's designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to enjoy their favorite drinks and music on the go, whether they're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day at the park. 1. Joulle Kettle. The Joulle Kettle is a versatile electric kettle designed for outdoor adventures. It's compact, efficient, and can boil water in just 300 seconds. Made with durable 304 stainless steel and aviation-grade PPS heat-resistant material, it's built to last. The kettle has 3 unique cooking modes, allowing you to prepare a variety of meals and beverages anywhere your adventures take you 5. It's a game changer for those who love to cook and enjoy hot drinks while exploring the great outdoors. And that's our roundup of the best camping gear and gadgets for 2024. With these innovative tools and essentials, you're all set for an unforgettable outdoor adventure. Gear up, head out, and make the most of your time in nature.